grade difficulty my father admitted. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th SSLC. Not even 1 year, in one paper, I remember they were secured even 40 to 45% of marks. I used to work very hard. I was very honest. I was very sincere. I was not loafing around. In spite of the fact, I was not able to get good marks. The simple reason is, by birth, we inherit certain mental faculties. We are not the same physically, mentally, emotionally, socially, economically, occasionally, morally and spiritually. We are not the same. We differ by birth. Unfortunately, I inherited a very, very, very poor memory. Memory is one of the faculties of the mind. Apart from that, we have imagination, creativity, visualization, picturization, decision making, so many varieties of functions of the mind. One of the things is input and output. That is memory. But memory was very poor. I realized it because I worked very hard. I passed all the exams marginally. Passed SSLC, went to intermediate, passed in 3rd class. BA, 3rd class. My only ambition at that time was to become a high school teacher. I went for BT, Bachelor of Teaching. In addition to BA, I have to have one more degree, BT, Bachelor of Teaching. There also, gloriously, I secured theory 3rd class, practical 3rd class. With 3rd class BA, 3rd class BT, I went to my village. There is a high school even today. Applied for the post of a high school teacher. I was the only candidate. I was very hopeful of getting the post because I belong to the same village. They should give preferential treatment to the villagers. Then after 5 days, they informed me I was totally rejected for the post of a high school teacher. If they told they were looking for a first class candidate, I was only a 3rd class candidate, I would not have bothered because it is a real fact. But unfortunately, what they attributed to my rejection was my physical personality. This happened in the year 1957. 52 years back story I am relating to you. Now what I have to do, friends? Can I grow a little taller? Can I become a little fairer? Can I become a little stouter? Nothing can be done except weeping. I wept the whole night. It is evergreen in my mind even today. Fortunately, with God's grace, something crossed my mind. I am going to offer you 4 words. They are very, very, very powerful. If you take back these 4 words, your life can be changed forever and for better. These are the 4 words. I decided, I determined, I resolved, and I committed that I was not going to lead an ordinary life. Instead of becoming a high school teacher, let me become a college lecturer. That was the decision I took very firmly. If you decide, if you determine, if you resolve, if you commit, we can do wonders on this. Now, just because teaching post was rejected, I joined as a clerk in a factory. My first salary was 99 rupees per month. I felt so bad. If they added 1 more rupee, it could be 3-digit number. I worked only for 2 years as a clerk. In the meantime, I knew very well, my memory was very poor. I had to do something to improve my memory. Therefore, I started studying books on memory and study techniques. To become a college lecturer, even at that time, one should secure minimum 2nd class. Minimum 2nd class. Therefore, I started studying. Fortunately, I was able to innovate a technique called memory filing system. Memory filing system. With the help of which, to cut down the whole story, I can tell you, afterwards, I secured 2 master's degrees. In both, I got 1st class and 1st